This is a strengthening question. The conclusion is that this particular chemical from catnip repelled the aphids. The missing link is between this chemical repelling several types of insects, including aphids, and the conclusion that this conclusion from the catnip repelled the aphids. Our broad expectation from the correct answer choice is that it should strengthen this conclusion. Answer choice A. The argument is concerned with whether this particular chemical repelled the aphids, whereas this answer choice talks about this chemical being found in clovers. This piece of information is just a statement of fact and makes no suggestion regarding whether the chemical was responsible to repel the aphids. So this answer choice does not strengthen the conclusion. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice B. This answer choice says that many insects that are not repelled by this chemical were found in the fields. If this is so, it indicates that in the fields, this particular chemical is active and is repelling aphids but not repelling insects that are not usually repelled by this chemical. In such a case, the conclusion is strengthened. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice C. This answer choice says that most of the corn stalks are infected by fungi. The argument mentions that aphids feed on corn stalks. So it is possible that the aphids are not feeding on corn stalks because of the presence of fungi and not necessarily because of the presence of this chemical. In such a case, the conclusion is weakened rather than strengthened. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D. This answer choice says that in this particular year, the aphid population of the region was much lower than in usual years. If this is so, it indicates the possibility that fewer than usual aphids should have been found in the fields. However, this answer choice makes no suggestion regarding why no aphids were found in the fields. So this answer choice simply adds information and does not strengthen the conclusion. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E. The argument is concerned with whether aphids are repelled by this particular chemical from catnip. So whether aphids are also susceptible to toxins in other plants, this piece of information is just a statement of fact and has no bearing on the argument. So let's eliminate this answer choice. B is the correct answer choice.